Hi guys, it's Rebecca Healy here. I am finally doing the video on how I make the dishwasher detergent for our dishwasher. Okay, so I have here my big box of baking soda. I have this bag of citric acid, which I get from Hobby Lobby. It's only like $4 or $5, and then I use the 40% off coupon that you can use each day with them on hobbylobby.com. You can pull up your daily coupon, so it makes it much even just cheaper. Here is your On Guard concentrate cleaner, and then I have my grapefruit oil, which is the citrus oil of my choice to use in this recipe. But you can use any citrus oil that you want. Okay, so I get this huge bowl to make it in because I don't know about you guys, but I do not have time to sit around and do DIYs all the time. So I like to make enough to at least do 2 batches so that I'm not all the time having to come in and make the detergent. Okay, so we're going to start with 1 cup of baking soda is for one recipe, but like I said, I'm making 2. So I'm going to put 2 cups in here. And if you guys bear with me. Okay. So here's my 1. And here is 2 cups of baking soda. And then if you're doing only 1 batch, you need 1/4 cup of the citric acid. So here is 1. And that is 1/2 cup total. And then for one recipe, you would do 1 tablespoon of On Guard cleaner concentrate. Again, since I'm doing 2 recipes together, I'm gonna do 2 of the tablespoons, and I still have plenty. It's gonna last me a while. Okay, so I like to do probably about 30 drops. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We'll probably do like 25 drops. And that just gives it that nice citrus smell along with the On Guard smell. I love it. And I'm going to use my measuring cup to stir this up real quick. You just want to stir it up really good to make sure the liquid gets throughout all of the citric acid and the baking soda. And if you want to see, let me grab my phone. Sorry, guys. Yikes. Okay. So, well, let me turn this around. That might work better. Well, it's not allowing me to turn around. But if you want to see, this is kind of like a frothy, gets into a really frothy, blown up state here. You just want to mix it really good and make sure you get all the powder in there. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for 4 hours. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to do a really big bowl is, guys, this stuff is so funny. It's like a chemical reaction going off, okay, with the citric acid and the baking soda and everything. And then the cleaner concentrate. But just as we sit here, you can watch this stuff grow. So it fluffs up really big. The original recipe says to let it sit for 4 hours. And put it in molds, the silicone molds. I don't use the silicone molds because every time I tried to do that, it would crumble out of them. I found it much more useful just to let it sit in the bowl for 4 hours and then come back and put it in these glass jars. These are actually old spaghetti jars that I washed out and kept. So 2 recipes makes a little over 2 jars. And look, see how it's fluffy now? All the way up here. It's like a big marshmallow. But I will place a picture of the finished product in the glass jar in the comments on Facebook page, so that you can see what it looks like after the 4 hours of sitting. Thank you guys. You have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.